Welcome to Workflow Genius. This one could literally save you hours every single week.
So, what if you could save hours a week with simple AI workflows? Let's find out how.
Do you ever feel like you just need more hours in the day? Yeah, me too.
But here's the thing. The problem isn't a lack of hours. It's inefficient workflows.
Okay, let's jump right in. Workflow 1, AI email drafting. Just give ChatGPT a simple prompt and boom, a professional email draft in seconds.
Believe it or not, this can save you up to a full hour every single day.
All right, next up, Workflow 2 is all about turning meeting notes into actual action plans.
Just dump your messy notes into Notion AI, and it spits out a structured task list instantly.
Seriously, you get total clarity in just a matter of minutes. It's a game changer.
And for our final workflow, task automation. This is where AI really works for you. You just connect your apps with a tool like Zapier, set it up once, and it just runs.
So what's the big picture here? Is AI a replacement or is it an upgrade?
It's so important to remember this. AI doesn't replace you. It just upgrades how you work.
So where do you even begin with all this? It's actually way simpler than you think.
The secret is to not do it all at once. Just pick one workflow and start today.
And hey, if this was helpful, subscribe. We're dropping smarter AI workflows every single week.